In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to systeme.io. By the end, you'll have your custom domain pointing to your systeme.io site, and you'll understand exactly what each setting does, so nothing feels confusing. First, sign in to your systeme.io account. From your dashboard, open the settings menu and head to the domain section. Click Add Domain. When prompted, type your domain in plain text like www.yourdomain.com without HTTP or HTTPS. Then click Next. Systeme.io will generate the exact DNS records you need, usually a CNAME if you're connecting a subdomain like www, or an A record if you're connecting the root domain. Keep this page open. You'll copy from it in a moment. Now log into your GoDaddy account, go to My Products, find the domain you're connecting, and open its DNS settings. You're in the DNS management area. Here you'll add the record exactly as systeme.io provided. If it's a CNAME, choose CNAME as the type. Set the host to the name shown by systeme.io, often www, and paste the value or points to target exactly as given. If systeme.io gave you an A record instead, select A, set the host to apt for the root domain, and paste the IP address provided by systeme.io. You can leave TTL at its default or choose a shorter TTL, like 30 minutes, to help changes update faster. Click Save. If you already see a record with the same host, edit that existing entry rather than creating a duplicate. Remove or update any conflicting entries so there's only one active record for that host. Also, avoid mixing a CNAME and an A record on the same host. Use only what systeme.io told you. After saving, DNS changes can take time to propagate. It might update in a few minutes, but it could take up to 24-48 hours, depending on your provider and cache. While you wait, keep the systeme.io domains page open. Systeme.io will automatically detect the connection and mark your domain as connected once the DNS is live. SSL is typically issued automatically, so you'll see it switch to secure status when everything is recognized. A couple of quick tips. Enter your domain exactly as instructed, no extra spaces or prefixes. Make sure your domain is using GoDaddy name servers if you're editing DNS in GoDaddy. If your name servers point elsewhere, you'll need to add these same records wherever your DNS is managed. And if changes don't appear right away, test in an incognito window or use a public DNS checker to confirm propagation. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to systeme.io.